explanation of the new prototype. Sits in this carriage here. This can rotate just fine. Using random stuff for the hinges right now. This rotates just fine. It can lift up and out of this. Sits comfortably in there. You can see there's that notch at the bottom. So then we have the electronics carriage here. That hole is for the solenoid. Same with this hole here. This is for the whole solenoid. And so this part rides on the tracks. So it moves like that. So here, this is down below. This is down below. So for these, this comes in. This comes in. This pushes up. Interlocks with that. These are pointy. These have like cone holes. So it matches up. This pushes up. You rotate all the way. Goes up. Goes back down. And then this connects. And this can move along. So the next one comes on. Pushes up. Interlocks there. Pushes up. Does the thing. Go up as far as you need it to, and then comes back down. And then undoes. Does it down. There you go.